Welcome to my channel. You don't need to know how to draw to create amazing personal art like this, and you definitely don't need to be a tech nerd either. I'll teach you everything you need, the tools, the techniques, and how to earn extra income or even make this a full-time job, just like I've done for many years. And the best part? I've made it super easy for you to get started. For every painting you'll find all the files you need, ready to download and use, linked right below the videos. In my 16 years as a teacher, I've learned one important thing. Anyone can paint, with the right tools and a bit of guidance. And the most important part is, it is so fun, it is so simple, and anyone can do it. Learn how to paint using stencils and a projector. Me myself, I started out with an old overhead projector back in 2006. You don't need to draw, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. You can create stunning paintings with just a few basic things: a canvas, some acrylic paint, a ruler, an acrylic marker, a brush, some kitchen sponges, and either a projector or an old overhead with a printed transparency. And if you don't already have a projector, I promise you, someone in your network probably does. Ask around on Facebook or local groups. These things are often just collecting dust in school basements or in hobby rooms. I'll show you exactly how you can earn extra income with your art. You can sell your paintings, run small workshops, or even design and sell your own stencils. If you want to learn how to teach and earn extra money while you're having fun, then subscribe for tips, tricks, and free step-by-step training videos, and make sure you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. You can start small just like I did. All you need is a little table, a second-hand overhead projector, and some transparent. And if you prefer something more modern, you can get a digital projector for under $100. Most of them work directly with your phone, so you don't even need a computer. I charge around $500 for a full weekend course, including all materials and overnight stay. And people, they love it. A one-day class easily sells for $110 to $145. But here's the thing, you can do this too. Buy a second-hand overhead projector, grab a few of my ready-to-use designs, and invite some friends over for a creative day. It's the perfect way to start practicing both painting and teaching. When you follow a proven concept, it's so much easier than trying to invent everything yourself. Subscribe and let's build something beautiful together. You can do this, even if you can't draw a straight line. With the right tools and the right know-how, you can build a creative business using these techniques. I'm living proof. I've made a living from this for over 16 years. So follow along here on the channel. It's completely free, and you can re-watch every video as many times as you like. Pause when you need to, rewind when you want to, until it all feels very natural. I'll see you soon.